So for the ice cream lab, what I did is I used chocolate milk instead of regular milk because I wanted to make it different. And then I added the measured amount of vanilla and sugar. And then we didn't have a lot of salt, so I just eyeballed the salt. And I just thought that you should just use a big amount of salt and a lot of ice. So then I shook it around for 7 minutes, and then when I opened it, it was frozen. It was like ice cream, but I was surprised because I thought it would be more like creamy and more like ice cream, but it was more like an icy texture, which was a little off-putting. But nevertheless, it didn't freeze it. It made ice crystals, but the problem that I found with it was that it melted very quickly. Like, it melted in like 5 minutes. So it turned into soup right after I started to eat it. And so what's actually happening inside the bag is because we're adding salt to the ice, we're lowering the melting point of the ice. And that means that to heat it up, it has to suck everything out of the surroundings, which is an exothermic reaction. So when we mix all the chocolate milk and the vanilla and the salt, not the salt, the sugar in the bag, and then we mix it around, we're exciting the molecules inside it. And ice is just a solid form of water. So it's arranged like a crystal structure. So whenever we're exciting them and then they slow down, that's what forms the crystals. That's what forms ice. So as it's sucking all of the heat out of the bag and everything, that's freezing inside the bag. And that forms the crystalline structures, which is the ice crystals that we get in the end that actually makes the ice cream.